Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the subject quantitative techniques under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. We are now into indices. This is part 28 of this subject. Question 1. Find the value of x if cube root of 4 to the power of 2x plus half is equal to cube root of 8 to the power of 5. So first we will write the cube root of 4 as 4 to the power of 1 by 3. This is to the power of 2x plus half. So for that, if we take LCM as 2, then it becomes 4x plus 1. And here in the right hand side, it is cube root of 8. That can be written as 8 1 by 3 to the power of 5. Now, we know that a power m to the power of n is the same as a power n to the power of m. So on that basis, we will also reverse here. We will write this as 4 to the power of 4x plus 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 3 is the same as 8 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 by 3. So both sides, if we cube it, that 1 by 3 will go from the power. So we can write that as 4 to the power of 4x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 to the power of 5. Now again, this can be rewritten as 4 to the power of 4x plus 1 by 2. 8 can be written as, here I will rewrite this. This 4 I will rewrite it as 2 square to the power of this, and 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 5. Now in the left hand side, 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. You will have only 2 to the power of 4x plus 1. Here in right hand side, you will have 2 to the power of 15. So base is common. We can equate the indices. 4x plus 1 will be 15, which means our 4x is 15 minus 1, which is 14. Therefore, x will be 14 by 4, which is nothing but 7 by 2. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the second question. Solve for x if 9 into 3 power x is equal to 27 to the power of 2x minus 5. 9 can be written as 3 square. Then 3 power x is equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube to the power of 2x minus 5. This is nothing but 3 to the power of 2 plus x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 into 2x, 6x, 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Now base is again common. We can equate the indices. So 2 plus x is equal to 6x minus 15. Or we can bring that 15 to the negative 15 to the left hand side. It will become 14, positive 15. Right hand side will be 6x minus x, which means 17 equal to 5x. That means x will be 17 by 5. That will be the solution for the second question. Let us move on to the third one. A plus b to the power of minus 1 multiplied by a power minus 1 plus b power minus 1. A plus b to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by a plus b. And then this 1 a inverse can be written as 1 by a. This can be written as 1 by b, which is 1 by a plus b multiplied by, here LCM is AB. We can write b plus a. This is a plus b, b plus a can get cancelled. So ultimately the result is 1 by AB. That is the solution for the third question. Now let us move on to the fourth one. Simplify cube root of cube root of a to the power of 12. So this will be rewritten as cube root of now a to the power of 12 to the cube root, which means it is a power 12 to the power of 1 by 3. This will be nothing but, let's choose cube root of a power 4. That can be again simplified as cube root of a power 4 is a power 4 by 3. That is nothing but a power 4 by 3 to the cube root, which means this will be a power 4 by 9. So that will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. Simplify 243 to the power of minus 3 by 5. 243's factorization will give us 81. If I divide by 3, if I divide again by 3, 27. If I again divide by 3, 9. If I again divide by 3, it is 3. So that means this is nothing but 243 is nothing but 3 power 5 to the power of minus 3 by 5, which is 3 power minus 3. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. That is nothing but 1 by 3 cube, which is nothing but 1 by 27. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next. 9 to the power of 3 by 2, which is nothing but 3 square to the power of 3 by 2, minus 3 into 7 power 0 is 1, and minus 1 divided by 81 is 3 power 4 to the power of minus 1 by 2. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you get 3 cube, minus 3, minus this 3 power 4, if I bring it to the numerator, it becomes 3 power minus 4 to the power of minus 1 by 2. So that will give you 27 minus 3 minus into minus in the power, it becomes plus. 4 by 2 is 2, that is 3 square. 3 square is 9. So 27 minus 12, you get 15 as the result. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the 7th question. 32 to the power of minus 2 by 5. 32 can be written as 2 power 5 to the power of minus 2 by 5 divided by 125 can be written as, 5 cube. 125 can be written as 5 cube to the power of minus 2 by 3. That is 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 3 gets cancelled, you get 5 to the power of minus 2. So that is nothing but 2 power minus 2 divided by 5 power minus 2. Bring the numerator to denominator, it becomes 2 square. Denominator to numerator, it will become 5 square. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. That will be the result for this 7th question. Let us move on to the 8th question. 3 cube will write as it is 3 cube. 243 can be written as 3 power 5 to the power of minus 2 by 3. 9 can be written as 3 square to the power of minus 1 by 3. This is nothing but 3 cube. This is 5 into 2 minus 10 by 3. And this is minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 3 power 3. This is minus 10 minus 2, minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 is minus 4. Minus 4, this will give you 3 to the power of minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 3. That will be the solution for the 8th question.